In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a task on Clickup. Whether you're a busy professional managing multiple projects or a team member collaborating with others, knowing how to efficiently close tasks is a skill that can streamline your workflow and boost productivity. To get started, we first need to navigate to the Clickup website. You can open your favorite web browser and enter the Clickup URL. Clickup is an all-in-one app designed for work management, and you'll find plenty of features here to organize your tasks, projects, and even your entire team. Once you arrive at the Clickup homepage, it's time to log in. On the login page, the first field you'll see is for entering your email address. Now you'll want to type in the email you use for your Clickup account. Ensuring that this email is correct is important because it's your gateway to accessing your space and tasks. Remember to double check your spelling here to avoid any login issues that could arise from a simple typo. With your email entered, you will next need to input your password. Security is key, so make sure you have a strong password that you can remember, preferably one that includes a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've entered your password, direct your attention to the login button, which you should now click. This will take you into your Clickup workspace where all your projects await. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the Clickup home screen where the magic begins. This home screen is designed to give you an overview of your tasks and projects. Take a moment to absorb the layout as it plays a pivotal role in making your workflow intuitive. From here, navigate to the top menu bar and look for Team Space. This is your hub for project management and task collaboration. Click into it to access the tasks that you are working on collaboratively as part of your team. It's here that you will also see all the tasks assigned to you or others on your team. Now, let's move on to finding the specific task you wish to close. Once inside your team space, you'll find a list of tasks presented in an easy-to-read format. Carefully review your task list and locate the particular task you wish to close. When you identify it, click on the task. This action will open up the task details where you can manage several aspects, including its status. Once you're in the task view, look around for the status section. The status is crucial as it indicates what stage a task is in, be it open, in progress, review, or any other custom status your team might use. For the purpose of completing our task today, we want to change its status to complete. So aim for that status button and click it. A drop-down menu will appear with several status options. Scroll through these options to find complete. By selecting complete, you inform everyone accessing the workspace that this task has been finished. It's a simple action, but an important one, as it helps keep everyone on the same page regarding progress. A green checkmark often appears next to completed tasks, visually confirming its closure. Changing a task status not only clears up your task list, but also provides a satisfying sense of accomplishment. It's a small milestone in the grand scheme of project management, but an essential one nonetheless. Closing tasks regularly can help prevent clutter in your team's workspace, ensuring that everyone can focus on what still needs to be done. And there you have it, and the task you've been working on is now officially closed in Clickup. That was quite simple, wasn't it? This entire process from start to finish is designed to be intuitive and seamlessly integrate into your daily workflow. Not only does it make task management easier, but it also ensures all team members have up-to-date information on project statuses, thus increasing your team's efficiency and collaboration. Feel free to explore more features Clickup has to offer, like creating and assigning new tasks or setting priorities and deadlines, all of which can further help in managing your workload. With practice, you'll find that navigating and using Clickup becomes second nature, the efficiency gains contributing to your overall productivity. Thank you for joining today's guide on how to close a task in Clickup. Happy task managing, and until next time, keep your tasks organized and your projects moving forward efficiently.